In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into how to create awesome AI-generated UGC type content. We all know that Sora 2 and VO3, they're extremely restrictive, and for a reason. Of course, we want to keep safety of people. But with that said, it ended up generating a lot of limitations for us. So what we're going to do is go to avocadoai.co, and when we arrive here, you create your account and have the subscription that fits you best. You need to come here to Storyboard. So what is Storyboard? Storyboard is a very awesome feature by Avocado that allows you to create content without limit on a blank canvas. So I have a different projects here already, but let's start one totally from scratch. So first we click on new project and it have this beautiful blank canvas. And what you're going to do, for example, you want to create the image. So start with the image. You can come here on this side toolbar and you're going to choose to generate an image, or you can press A on the keyboard. When you open this, you can add in the prompt of the image that you want to generate. The next step will be choosing the AI models. For comparison reasons, I generally like to take at least 4 models to compare between them. So I'm going to check Crea, Dream. Also going to check Recraft. No, not Recraft, but actually going to check Nano Banana and Rev. Actually, let's see Imagen, because actually Imagen is pretty good when it comes to generating stuff like this. So you want to check the aspect ratio to 9:16, and that's it. I think that's pretty much it. You can generate, this is going to generate 4 variations, so it's going to cost only 4 credits because it's 1 credit per image. So as you're using 4 models, that's what it's going to do. It's going to allow you to just try this out. So let's go. Press generate. So here you're going to have the placeholder, and then you're just going to wait for the images to be generated. In the meantime, you can close this and start thinking about the audio. So one cool thing about this is that you can visualize everything centralized on one whiteboard. So you don't need to be jumping between tools. If you want to go, for example, editing, or you want to, I don't know, create a video, you don't need to leave this workspace. So yeah, there's some of the results here. Let me drag this out. I can drag this out. Remember, you don't need to do any complex nodes or stuff like that, or jump between tabs. You just need to do this. Pause. So yeah, these are the 4 images generated, and what I think is that I actually like this and this one more. So I'm going to move them over here and just select these 2 and just move this over here. So between these 2 models, I think this is from Imagine Tree from Google, and this is from Dream 4. I like Dream because it creates the best quality in 4K for images. So what I'm going to do now is think about the content that I wanted to say. So if you see here, there's a little chat bubble here. This is Lini, the AI assistant for creating stuff. So pretty much it's like a creative director in your storyboard. And what you can do is just pretty much select to generate stuff, or just leave it in auto mode for now. And yeah, just unselect these. What you're going to do is say that you want it to generate, help me come up with short script for UGC style voiceover of a woman talking about this new skin cream called Avo. It's for a 15 seconds long voiceover. That's it. You send it, and what it's going to do is going to help you to craft this little script. Obviously you can write it on your own, but this is just for an example's sake. Here I have the little script, and so this is the script, whatever. What you can do now is, I think it can just say, can you generate the audio? And it's, can you generate the voiceover? And it's going to try to pick the content, the voice that fits best. So it's going to give you these options. This is pretty cool because you can choose between any of these options. Let's see this one.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
I'm not
Hey, you're not asleep yet, are you?
This one is a bit too, like, you know, spicy somehow, so I'm not gonna go with that.
I begged you to fight for us. Just once.
Too dramatic.
So, like, I guess for me, the main thing is, like, I don't understand why people have to get upset. It's like, actually chill out for 2 seconds.
I love this one. So we're gonna go with this voice. This one is Fiona. So we're gonna pick Fiona here. And what's gonna do, it's gonna use Fiona. And it's gonna use the voice to generate based on the script we selected above here. So once that's done, let's wait a few seconds, and it's going to generate the voiceover using the voice we selected. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen now. Oh, actually, it did create it already. Let's see.
Okay, real talk. I've been using this Avo cream for like 2 weeks now, and my skin is literally glowing. It's got avocado oil, so it's super hydrating, but not greasy at all. I've been putting it on before bed and waking up with the softest skin. Plus, it smells amazing, not like artificial perfume, just fresh and clean. My boyfriend even noticed and was like, "What are you doing different?" Total game changer, and it's only like $25.
All right, so you have this, and honestly, it's pretty mind-blowing. And what you can do now is go to the next step. Right, I'm pretty happy with this result so far. So what are we gonna do now is I think we need to start creating the video. So how are you gonna create this video in a simple step? We already have the voiceover. I think we need to download it. So just download it to your device. And what you're gonna do now is instead of just jumping out of this tool, you can stay right here and click on the image. There's this little item here called make video to create video in whatever style you want. You choose make video, and what you're gonna do now is change, instead of using Sora 2, which is super restrictive when it comes to UGC style videos, or VO3, you want to use this model, Fabric Fast. What Fabric Fast does, it takes that image and it also takes your audio, and this was the audio we used, and you can open it here, you can upload it, and it's gonna create this UGC style content based on this woman. So the better scene would be was actually editing her holding the screen already, so that it can gesture and show the product that she's talking about. But actually, let's do that. Just 1 second. Actually, so in order to make her hold this this product, we want to create the product actually. In this case, I just want to create a fictional one, just for the case of this video. So what we're gonna say here, make the woman holding and displaying this little in cream called VO. If you click on this little icon here, it's gonna enhance the prompt. So let's see what it's gonna do. All right, let's go. So it's gonna generate this. It'll take a few seconds, and you can just come back to it. We are happy with the voiceover with the image. So I think in any of these they would go, but I think this one looks more realistic. So we definitely have to go with that one. Move this away a bit more here. Okay, there you go. This is her holding this little. It's insane, honestly. What you're gonna do now is click on make video. Just to the model mentioned before, Fabric Fast, which is pretty good. And you're gonna upload the audio. So choose the audio you generated and download it. And there you go. What you're gonna do now is press generate. Even though this is on the pricier side of credits, it is still very worth it, I think, because the level of quality of the output is just unmatched. When this video can take 5 to even to 10 minutes, but once it's completed, you can click here on this notification to see if it's completed or not. Time you can just like clean up your canvas, and yeah, you can also do more editing on this image, upscale the image if you don't like the quality, but I doubt you would need to do that because the quality is already great. So let's just wait for the video to complete, and we're gonna continue. The video is already generated. Let's see, it should appear here on the canvas. So on the canvas, it's obviously not made for videos at its full quality, so we're gonna download this video. Let's just see how it's gonna look like. Let's just wait for the download. So this is the generated video. Let's see what it's gonna look like.
Okay, real talk. I've been using this Avo cream for like 2 weeks now, and my skin is literally glowing. It's got avocado oil, so it's super hydrating, but not greasy at all. I've been putting it on before bed and waking up with the softest skin. Plus, it smells amazing, not like artificial perfume, just fresh and clean. My boyfriend even noticed and was like, "What are you doing different?" Total game changer, and it's only like $25.
And there you go. You have your consistent character. It maintained the integrity of the original image while having very expressive movements and displaying of the product. So this is how you can create consistent UGC style videos without the annoying Sora 2 restrictions. So that's it. You should go check it out. And then if you want to check out more models as well, you want to explore around, just check here on Avocado. You have different ways of creating. You can do the same here in the workspace, which is just choose the image, the video, choose fabric, and you know the driz. Just go around and start creating. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.